Hi everyone, this is a quick review of Geometry Lesson 1-1. The examples in this lesson were focused on naming things, but you'd also want to review the axioms and postulates that we talked about. So make sure you do that. But as far as naming things, let's do these few questions where we have to name things. In the first question, they ask us to name the plane that I have drawn here. So I can either write plane K, which is this special letter in the corner, or you can name it with 3 points that are not collinear. So that means because A, B, and C are all in the same line, I have to name point D. So it's plane D, and then I pick any other 2 letters on here. So D, A, B. Okay, you could pick any other 2 letters, but you have to name D because otherwise they won't be non-collinear. They'll be on the same line. So when you pick 3 letters, make sure one's not on the line. Number 2, we had to name 3 collinear points. So these are points, and again, I have to write out the word points, and then I need 3 points that are on the same line. So A, B, and C are on the same line. And here I can put commas. Notice I didn't put commas here because they're all part of the name of one figure. Here I put commas because they are separate figures. Each one is a point. And if you wanted to, you could write this as point A, point B, and point C. And that might make more sense. For naming a line, I'm going to name line AC. When you name a line, you pick any 2 letters that are on the line and you name them. So any 2 points on the line, and you draw the little mini line symbol. It has arrows on it because lines have arrows. So line AC, I can also write the word line, and I can name those 2 letters on the line. So any 2 letters on the line will do. I could name it AB, I could name it AC, I could name it CB, BC, or CA. Any 2 letters. Now to name a ray, remember a ray has a starting point and it goes on forever in one direction. So I'm going to use BD. So I'm going to say it starts at B and goes through D. So when we name it, you have to name the starting point first and then where it's going through after that. So you can either use the ray symbol, which looks like a little mini ray, or you can write the word ray, BD. And if you think you're going to forget these symbols, remember, you can always write the word, so just write the word. So if you're not sure about the symbol, write the word and you'll be right every single time. For number 5, it says name a line segment. So I'll use segment BD. You could use any of the other segments if you want. I just feel like using BD. Now, the symbol would be like a line but without the arrows because it looks like a little mini line segment. Or you can write the words, line, segment, BD. And you're always right if you write the words. So if you forget the symbol, write the words. Now finally, you have to name the intersection of the lines. These 2 lines cross at point B. So when you name the intersection of 2 things, you always go down a dimension. Lines are 1-dimensional, so I went down to 0 dimensions. If I wanted to name the intersection of 2 planes, planes are 2-dimensional, so I go down to 1 dimension, which is a line. Planes intersect in a line. So that's it for this video. I hope it helps you review for your test.